Hey, so I told you I would talk to you about the increase in value that's been happening in multifamily sales, price per unit this year versus last year. I want to show you a chart. This is on market rate, anything over 10 units. Really, really interesting stuff. Okay, so first of all, as you can see here, I track every single sale in the market. We do in-depth analysis. Once we scrub it off the tax assessor website, we make sure that it's a legit sale. We do all the research on it here. As you can tell, we have the property, address, seller, and buyer. We classify these, the type, date, units, what it's sold for, all these different metrics, right? So let me show you down here towards the bottom something very interesting. Okay, so this is market rate over 100 unit section and under 100 unit section. And I'm just going back to 2019 for this chart so I can fit it all on one screen. Number of closings, increase or decrease in number of closings, median price a unit, closing price, average, which is probably where we want to focus. Here's something interesting. Over 100 units, we're at 169 a door so far in 2025, which is up 26% over last year and almost matching the height of the market in 2021. Now, it's a little bit flawed. 66 sales here and 1/3 the number of sales this year. And I can tell you 12 of those 23 sales were actually new construction sales, which is a lot for 1 year in the northern half of Florida. And then in 2021, we're at 102 a door, which is still a 5% jump. But if you look at median sales here, which is obviously the number of sales that are occurring, we're already trending up. So there's a good chance by the end of the year, since October through December are the larger closing months, that we could actually pass the 107. If not, I think it'll happen in 2026. And if you'll see here, under 100 unit deals, 2023 was the height of the market for value, and 2022 was the height of the market for over 100 units. And if you look at every deal that's closed over 10 units for 2025, and I remove all the new construction sales, and then compare that to 2024 sales over 10 units and remove new construction sales, we're still up 12% year over year. So as you can see, things are looking pretty positive. I'm optimistic about the balance of the year. I'm more optimistic about next year and 2027. Things seem to be trending very nicely. If you have any other questions about what I just sent you, or if you have any other stats that you'd like me to send to you, please let me know. I can usually kick them out pretty quick. All right, I'll see you in the next one.